Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always wanted the professional waxing experience at home, but maybe you weren't sure where to start, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a look at the Pinkiou Waxing Kit Wax Warmer, designed for hair removal from head to toe, including those more delicate areas like your bikini line, eyebrows, and armpits. This portable waxing kit promises a professional-level experience right in the comfort of your own home. Let's start with a quick rundown of what you're getting with the Pinkiou Waxing Kit. First, the kit includes a wax warmer with a metal pot liner, 4 bags of wax beads 3 pivots each, and 10 waxing sticks. It's marketed as being suitable for all types of hair removal, from coarse body hair to fine facial hair. The warmer features a circular heating element with an adjustable thermostat, allowing you to quickly melt the wax and then dial it down to maintain the ideal consistency. This kit stands out in its portability. If you're someone who likes to travel or simply wants to store things neatly, the compact design makes it a convenient option. It's like carrying a mini waxing studio in your bag. For home users or salon professionals, it seems to promise a lot of versatility. Whether you're working with wax cans, loose wax, or even brick wax. I decided to test this product myself, and I used it on a few different areas: my bikini line, my eyebrows, and of course my armpits. The process was surprisingly straightforward. I simply plugged in the wax warmer, waited for the wax to melt, and then used the provided sticks to apply the wax. The warmer's adjustable temperature control was a real bonus. I started at a higher heat to melt the wax quickly, and then dialed it down to maintain the right consistency throughout the process. In terms of performance, the wax melted evenly and adhered to the skin well. I found it easy to work with, and the wax didn't become too sticky or messy during the application. However, a small thing I'd note is that when using it for more sensitive areas, like the bikini line, you'll need to be a bit more cautious with the temperature setting. Too hot can be uncomfortable, so be sure to check the wax temperature before applying. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Portability. One of the biggest selling points is how easy it is to take with you, whether you're traveling or storing it at home. Adjustable thermostat. I love the flexibility to change the temperature, which gave me more control over the waxing process. Wax consistency. Once you get the hang of the temperature settings, the wax maintained a nice consistency, which made the process smoother. Easy to clean. The metal pot liner was a thoughtful inclusion, making cleanup effortless after each session. Cons. Learning curve. The temperature control can be a bit tricky to master at first, especially if you're new to waxing. It took me a couple of tries to get the perfect heat. Size of wax beads. If you have large areas to cover, like full legs, you might need more than the 4 3.5 bags included in the kit. Waxing sticks. While the kit includes 10 sticks, some may prefer a few more for larger projects. When it comes to value for money, I think this kit is a solid buy if you're looking to try at-home waxing or need a portable option. Considering its price point, you're getting everything you need in one package, and the performance holds up well against other similar kits in the market. That said, if you're someone who regularly waxes large areas of your body, like your legs or arms, you might find yourself needing to purchase additional wax more frequently. In terms of build quality, the wax warmer itself feels durable, and I had no issues with it during my testing. The metal pot liner is a great touch for easy cleanup and is sturdy enough to last through repeated use. I do think the wax machine could feel a bit more premium, but it does the job well for the price. Now, is this the best option for everyone? If you're someone who wants the flexibility of waxing at home or while traveling, this could be a great addition to your beauty routine. But if you're looking for something specifically for very sensitive skin, or you're aiming for a salon-quality experience, you might want to try a more specialized kit. If you're not totally sold on the price or need a more budget-friendly option, there are similar kits that could be better suited to occasional use, or smaller areas like eyebrows or facial waxing. Just be sure to compare the ease of use and wax performance. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in today and watching. If you've used this product or have any waxing tips of your own, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. You can find the link to purchase this waxing kit in the description or comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.